Hello class second students. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine and enjoying your online classes. In the previous video, you learned about one digit number, two digit number and three digit number. Now I am taking the number names of three digit numbers. Okay, now look at here. Number names of three digit number. Three digit number start from 100. 100 100. 100 100. The spelling of 100 is 1. I am writing in cursive handwriting. 100. 100 100. The spelling of 100 is HUNDRED 100. This spelling is very important in three digit numbers. When you write the number names, this spelling is very important. Now after 101, the number comes 100. After 100, the number comes 101. Why 1? Because after 0 number comes 1, after 1 2, 2 after 2 3, after 3 4, after 4 5. Same in the three digit number. After 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109 and after 9 which number comes? 110. Let's see. 101 101 for 1 spelling, for 0 100 and the spelling of 1. 102 say 102. 103 103. See, for each 0 their name is 100. There is a 100 spelling, but there is a no number. It is not a number name of 0. It is a place value. This will you learn later. Now come to here. 106, 107, 108, 109. You understand that. Now the next number name is 110, 110. In this number, there is no 0 for this 100. So now you understand this 100 is not a number name of this 0. It is a place value. When you write three digit number, you write spelling of 100 after first number. That is your 1. 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107 and up to 110 and so on. 111, 112, 109. After 109, the next number is 110. So some students how write the 110? As this sequence 1010. Many are writing like that. 110. But if you write this 101, 1010, 110. So it is your 1, 2, 3, 4. It is 4 digit number. So you will not put 0 after 1. You will write 1. And 100 is the place value. Then you write 10. How you write 10? 1, 0. 110. Same for the next number. 111, 112, 113. Like that, the number ends up to 999. In each and every number after 109, we will not put 0 after first number. You forget that 0 after 109 because 100 is a place value. It is not a number name of 0. I think you understand how you write the number names. In the April session, I already given revision to you. You will write number names from 1 to 130. 1000. I think you have written all these things. So daily you do practice and see some YouTube videos of these number names from 1 to 1000. Okay, let's do one exercise based on number names. I'm taking some numbers between 101 to 999. Let's see. The first example, 107. How you tell this? 107. Spelling of 1, spelling of 100 and spelling of 7. The first number you are watching, the first number is in cursive writing. When you write in your classwork copy or in exam, you will use your cursive writing. Now, the second example, 1, 2, 3. It is 123. How you tell this number? 123. 123. In this number, there is no zero in this number for 100. Now you understand. 123. 123. Now the next number, 245. 245. 245. The spelling of 2, spelling of 100, spelling of 40, spelling of 5. That you learned in the previous class and in April month also. Okay. 561. That is your 100. 561. 561. So you see that these are the 4 numbers and how you write the number names of the 3-digit numbers. As you telling, as you write in the copy. Okay. Now, what is the important thing when you write number names? The first thing, the number should be 3-digit and the spelling should be correct. The spelling of 2, spelling of 100, spelling of 40, 20, 61, like that. These all spelling should be correct. So what will you do? First you learn the basic number names like 1 to 10, then 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Now 1000. If these basic spellings you have learned, if you will learn, then easily you write the number names of any 3-digit number. Okay, students, now I think you understood what is the meaning of number names. Okay class, in the number names, I told you the 100 is not a number name of 0, it is a place value. So you are thinking, what is the meaning of place value? So let us learn. P-L-A-C-E, place, V-A-L-U-E, value, place value. Place value means the position of digits in a number. Position of digits in a number. Before that, before explaining this line, let's see how many place values. 1-digit number, 1 digit, 1 place value. 2-digit number, 2 digit, 2 place value. 3-digit number, 3 digit, 3 place value. 1 digit, 1 place value. 2 digit, 2 place value. 3 digit, 3 place values. What are these place values? In 1 digit, O. O, ones. O-N-E-S, ones. 2 digit, ones and tens. Always write place value from extreme right side. From the last number, last digit. Ones. O-N-E-S, ones. 2 digit, 2 place value, ones and tens. 3 digit, 3 place value. ones, tens, hundred. Ones, tens, hundred. Ones, ones, tens, ones, tens, hundred. These are the place values. And I told the place value means position of digit in a number. This line I will explain through exercises. Now, the one new topic for you is face value. F-A-C-E, face value. What is the meaning of face value? The face value means digit itself. Face value means digit itself. I know these definitions are tough for you. So I am giving one exercise to you. That exercise easily, for doing that exercise you will easily learn face value and place value. Okay, now let me learn place value and face value by doing this sum. Okay, so your question is W-R-I-T-E, write, P-H-E, the, P-L-A-C-E, place, V-A-L-U-E, value. Write the place value and F-A-C-E, face value of E-A-C-H, each, digits in a number. Write the place value and face value of each digit. What is the meaning of each? Each means in the given number there is a 3 digit. So you have to write the place value and face value of these 3 digits. You write the place value of 5, the place value of 2 and the place value of 3. Same as face value. Now let's see how you do. So you understand in the 3 digit number 3 place value. 3 digit number 3 place value. So write the place value on the number. Start from the last number, extreme right side. So you write ones, tens, hundred. O, ones, T, tens and hundred. Ones, tens and hundred. These are the place value. Now you easily get the answer. The place value of 5 is ones. The place value of 2 is tens. The place value of 3 is hundred. Place value of 5 is ones. Place value of 2 is tens. Place value of 3 is hundred. Now how you write? Start. The place value, short form, of 5 equals to 5 ones. 5 ones. So what is the meaning of 5 ones? 5. Single 5. Okay. Now the second. The place value of 2 equals to 2 tens. 2 tens. Now what is the meaning of 2 tens? In 10, 1 0 is there. So 2 tens means you put 1 0 with the 2. With the given digit. 2 tens, 2 0. 3 tens, 3 0. 4 tens, 4 0. 5 tens, 5 0. Like that. Now your third number is 3. 300. The place value of 3 is 300. 300. And how you write 300? 300. That is your final answer. 5 ones, single 5. 2 tens, 2 0. 300 you put 20 with 3. These are the final answer of place value of these 3 digits in this question. Now you have to write the face value of these 3 digits. Okay, so let's start the next answer. The face value of 5. The face value of 5, I told face value means digit itself. Digit itself. It means my face is my face, your face is your face. So the face value of 5 is 5. The face value of 2 is 2. Now the last answer, the face value of 3 is 3. Now you see the difference. In the place value, the number 5, but 2, 20, 3, 300. In the face value, 5 is 5, 2 is 2, 3 is 3. So these are the place value and face value. Now you understand what is the meaning of place value and face value. So you take some examples from your book and solve in the practice copy. What will you do? First you write the number names from 1 to 10, 11 to 20 and 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100 and 1000. Only these number you write. Now let's take some examples from book and write the number names. Now you take some examples based on place value and face value. Only 2 or 3 examples you will take, and now you easily understand what is the meaning of place value and face value. I know students, maths is little bit tough, but if you concentrate, you listen, you easily do sums. So enjoy maths, do sums and stay safe and stay healthy. Thank you.